I'm doing a bike check. Haven't done one for a while. It's a different bike from my other blue bike. This weighs around 21 pounds, and I'm also selling some parts. I get to those at the end. And start with the bike check. Stolen Vortec bar ends. Stolen money grips. DK Crazy 8 handlebars. DK Alpha stem 45 reach. Fit Shiv forks. Candade tire. DK orbit rims. DK spokes. I got a new hub. It's the Shadow Conspiracy Raptor front hub, and also got the Shadow Conspiracy Raptor front hub guard, and stolen Thermalite plastic pegs. The DK team frame. Stolen seat and seat post. It was a combo, but it still works as a regular pivotal seat post and seat. DK Alpha seat clamp. DK Alpha, no, it's the DK plastic pedals. The DK Social cranks. KMC chain. Shadow crank and bones sprocket. I got the DK spokes, DK orbit rim, and also stolen Easy Street free coaster. It's a 10 teeth, and my sprocket is a 25 teeth. United hub guard, stolen Thermalite peg, and Maxxis grifter tire. And yeah, so that's my bike, and I am selling this hub. It's the DK Alpha front hub. I've only had it about a couple months. I really like it, but the reason I got a new hub is because I wanted one in white, but DK doesn't have one in white. And so if anybody wants to buy it, I'll sell it cheaper than what you would buy it for online. And also, I got the DK Alpha, the sprocket 25 teeth. The reason I got a new sprocket is because I also wanted one in white, and so I'll sell that cheaper than what you'd pay for online too. And I really like them. They're good parts. So yeah, that's my bike check. Check out my other videos. I would have some like longer videos, but my editing software is messed up, and I can't edit videos. So what I can do is just like put them like clips at a time, and I'm starting doing those because I haven't got around to them. So, but I'm starting to. So check out my other videos, and yeah.